Hello, Yavapai County. I'm Leslie Horton, Director of Yavapai County Community Health Services. Today I'm here to report that we've had 18,143 individuals that have tested positive for COVID-19 since about a year ago in March of 2020 when we started doing testing for COVID-19. We are also reporting 477 deaths and 7,606 individuals have been deemed recovered at this point in time. Please understand that those recoveries, or deeming a person recovered, does take time and effort on the part of our staff that have been sorting through some of the data that has arrived at the health department just recently with some COVID cases that were unreported over the past several months. We will be reporting more individuals deemed recovered in the coming days and weeks. Most individuals do recover from COVID-19 fully. Some do have some lingering effects, and we do hope that those who have suffered from some of those lingering effects of COVID do eventually make a full recovery also. Currently, it's great to see that we are averaging under 10 new cases of COVID-19 per day. This means that in Yavapai County, we have a low level of infection and minimal spread of COVID-19 at this point in time. I do hope that we can work hard as a community to keep it that way. And as businesses, schools, and other things begin to reopen and have higher rates of capacity as well as more people convening indoors, keep in mind that COVID-19 is still here. Nationwide, we are seeing a reduction in overall cases, as we are seeing here. And we want to make sure that that continues over time. So just be careful, do the things that we know work, such as wearing a mask indoors where you can't physically distance from others. And as the weather turns warmer, spend time outside, do things where the chance of catching an infection is lower. It's also great news to see that the number of hospitalizations has reduced significantly. Currently, we have 7 individuals hospitalized between YRMC and VVMC, and none at the VA. I do hope that those that are in the hospital also make a smooth and swift recovery back to good health. And I hope that we continue to see that number of hospitalizations drop, as is expected with the level of active infections in the community dropping. And as we work towards vaccinating those most vulnerable, those that would be most prone to being in the hospital with complications of COVID. To date, we've vaccinated 99,000 residents in Yavapai County, with 43,000 receiving both doses. With the Moderna vaccine requiring 2 doses, it does take us some time to fully vaccinate a large number of individuals in our priority groups. This week, however, we did reach a point where we had vaccinated nearly 55% of those 65 and older in our communities and have made the announcement that we will be moving on to the 55 plus age group, as well as priority group 1C, which includes adults of any age living in congregate settings or other adults of any age with high-risk conditions that would make them more prone to complications of COVID, such as a compromised immune system or other underlying medical conditions. If you qualify to be in phases 1A, 1B, or 1C, and you can reference our website to see who would qualify in those groups. Or if you're 55 or older, please go online to book your appointment. There are links on our website, as well as phone numbers available if you're having trouble booking online. YRMC has a brand new number that you can call if you need help booking at their Gateway Mall pod in Prescott. And Spectrum Healthcare also has a number you can call if you're trying to book an appointment and having difficulty online for their Prescott Valley, Findlay Event Center appointments, or in Cottonwood at the Verde Valley Christian Church location. President Biden has also announced that he would like all adults to have the opportunity to get vaccinated as of May 1st. On a local level, that will require us to receive more vaccine to be able to vaccinate more of our priority groups before then, as well as understanding that there's going to be a large influx or demand for the vaccine when that happens. And we do hope to move forward vaccinating as many adults as possible until we can reach a level of herd immunity where there's far less risk of COVID-19 having a dramatic impact on our communities in Yavapai County. So thank you, Yavapai County. You are doing a great job. Keep up the good work, and we'll talk to you again soon.